jizz and a proposal due by 10. How am I already underwater?
I'm in the same boat.
I'm in an actual boat.
I thought Grammarly just fixed grammar. They make boats now?
It's more of a metaphorical boat. Because I've been using Grammarly's AI for years to keep me high and dry. Try it. Grammarly.
If the time again, wish I never let you in. Thought you wanna be my friend, but I think we'll be better if it ends. That way we can make amends. That way we don't think about the past and you let the past alone. 155, carrying the numb.
Damn. Oh, you're right. It is muted. What the hell? What the hell? Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Analysis on Solana. Shout out to you. I don't even know why that happened. This program. Anyways, what the fuck? Yeah, give me 1 second. 1 second. Solana. I mean, what kind of analysis are you looking for? You're talking about a chart? You're talking about as an L1? What kind of analysis are you looking for, my friend? Shout out to you though. Short term? I mean, what's your definition of short term, right? It looks like it's, I mean, looking at this right away, it looks like it wants to clean lower. Just first fucking glance. Looks like it's breaking down to me. Also, a lot of thin air above, right? A lot of thin air above. Just depends what Bitcoin S&P does, right? Kind of like every other crypto, basically. So that's why we're watching these first. But I mean, like, yeah, obvious. This is looking a little suspicious to me, right? A little suspicious. Especially after coming here and like sweeping this, all of this basically. Bing! Now it looks like it wants to go lower and sweep all of this. Looking a little suspicious. I mean, we don't have any of the data, right? We don't have any of the data. How's the order book looking for Solana? How's the open interest looking? Yeah, what's the medium time frame looking like? Probably the same as every other alt. Yeah, I mean, it really just depends, right? It really just depends. I mean, if you're like scalping it, like low time frame. I mean, that's basically it, right? You kind of just wait to see if this stuff gets swept or not. This is the value area high, value area low, right? So see if they sweep it and then get in on the long and run it back up. Or the other way around, maybe they come sweep this stuff. Or even here. Because this wasn't like a full sweep, right? Yeah, I mean, so far it looks like you're just kind of bing-bonging around this node. You know, probabilities would tell us that this is, you know, that they got this in the scope right now. Yeah, I mean, interesting trade here, right? Potentially. Right now I'm waiting, right? I was in some trades, but now I'm not, so I'm kind of just waiting to see what happens here. It's a little bit too you know, a bit of a mashup right now, right? I just juiced this whole short down all from fucking year to year. Like I closed it like on this wick bond right here, so probably should open along here, but I have to go do shit, right? I was watching this short the whole day. I mean, yeah, so far Biddy looks like, I mean, it's wedging up for something, right? It's wedging up for something. And there are a lot of imbalances to the upside to clean. Actually, let's go look at that real quick. Out of curiosity, what's the liquidity looking like above and below? Yeah, definitely a lot more above in the short time frame. Medium as well. The tariff war causing a lot of issues? Perhaps. I don't I mean, like, I'm obviously familiar with the situation, but I don't particularly incorporate it into my trading. Like, regardless of tariffs or not, I mean, whatever, right? Like, I talked about, like, for instance, this, like, nuke today on Biddy. Like that, this was gonna happen today regardless of whatever the fucking news was, right? If we start to go lower from here, it was gonna happen. So, news or not, don't make a difference to me. Just sitting on a bunch of unswept liquidity over and over and over the whole way up. Like, any move down and you see what happens. We cascaded through all those levels. Like, look at this one, right? As soon as we tapped all these lows right here, bring. But yeah, tariffs definitely shake things up, right? Definitely have to be prepared to see random volatility, right? Always be zoomed out. Have a idea of what's going on in the larger time frames, because something might hit the news and all of a sudden you're like moving like, you know, 3-4 levels at a time in a short period of time. So you better be prepared, better have plans set, better not be catching you off guard. Solana. Yeah, I mean, I guess it depends on your long. I don't know what kind of long you're taking either, right? What kind of leverage you're using, etc., etc. But right now, yeah, this is looking mighty suspicious to me, and it looks like they're coming down to get this right now. Got you in the scope, my friend. $184. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna have to hope that it just sweeps this, but bink, kind of thing. In that case, assuming it even goes down, right? Assuming, but this, I mean, I don't know. I'm just not too convinced on. Not too convinced on Biddy yet. It's a problem. If we start to break past this high, okay, I'll be a bit more of a believer. I'll feel, and your soul trade probably will work out better. But right now, until I see that, I don't know. I don't know if I'm a believer just yet. Because to me, this is looking like one of these kind of like medium time frame things where they kind of just hit you with like the second, you know, kind of bait more people in. Like one bounce and then just do another one. You know, one of those. Because we still have these levels to tag, by the way, right? We didn't sweep the levels down here. So we know that there's still liquidity up here or down here. And they might even hit it with a third, right? Ba-bink. At that point, you'd probably have like the divs as well. And all 3 drives going on. I'm kind of waiting. That's why I'm kind of waiting to see, right? Is this what's happening or no? Are we actually going to start going up from here? So I'm glad to wait a little bit because we've been juicing anyways. Prepared for the worst is what it is. What it is. Yeah. I mean, like, why did you take the trade, right? That's the first question. We should, like, you know, we start with that. Is there a specific reason you took it, or you just open a long because you felt like opening a long? Yeah, but I was actually looking at Sol the other day, actually. That's why this box is drawn down here. Because if Biddy goes to like 85k, or like into the 80, this might be a juice spot. I'm eyeing this thing down here. I placed my long before the dumping started. Oh, damn. At 205.4. Seems a little strange to me, my friend. At 205.4, so at the top, basically, you tried a long at the top. So is that what you're telling me? You're a top longer? Try to long up here, as opposed to like at the deviations below. Trying to close at that price. Ah, I see. Yeah, that makes more sense because I mean that's like, you know, you'd have to be hoping for some kind of like breakout going on or something, which doesn't really particularly look like it here. There's massive bear divs, right? As this was poking up to tap these highs. I don't know, right? I don't know what you know, what you don't know. I don't know your strategy. I don't know what, you know. Maybe that works 70% of the time, and this is one of the times you lost. No big deal. Yeah, so far it looks like it's slowly but surely inching its way here, right? They got them in the scope right now. I'm curious if there's like any liquidity maps for Solana out there. I mean, I can strike like on a high block, but I don't want to change my setup right now. Is this finally going to sweep this as well? I gotta start planning my next trade. That's the thing. That's the thing. I mean, immediately eyeing this potentially as a short. It looks weak up there. And for longs, damn. Damn. I don't even know what I would do for a long, to be honest. Boom, boom, boom. Damn. much liquidity is there below us? Damn, 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 damn. This gray box, basically. Shout out to our box. Check out some of this data. Very high liquidation up here as well at 100k specifically. Very large and high leverage cluster up here. So this will be an interesting sweep to be watching right there. We'll make this one blue just to keep in mind. Potentially a swing fail coming up happen over there. What color should we make it? Something odd. Something we don't see often. No. Damn. These all look so weird. Damn. We'll do that. We'll stick with that. So we do have to keep in mind that we did nuke down yesterday, right? Which means that we now have potential to nuke right back up through all these single prints and volume gaps. Especially with CPI, correct? Agree or disagree? Some bullish news tomorrow and this shit's flying. This shit is flying. I'm curious how your soul trade goes, my friend. Curious how your soul trade goes. Shout out to Solana though. I got me a big bag of Solana. Big ol' spot bag. And I have all that staked. For a long time, over a year. Staked. Tomorrow they talk about interest rates, do they? Perhaps. I mean, also, I don't know what country or region you're referring to when you say that. But I do know that the United States are releasing their CPI month-over-month data, and year-over-year, and the core CPI. And our good buddy Jerome Powell has been testifying in court all day yesterday, I guess today, and tomorrow. Potentially some interesting, you know, headlines coming out of that, but I thought it would move the market. Also, the 10-year bond auction. Yeah, because, you know, and here's the thing I'm thinking, right? Because, like, let's be honest. We're probably down here again for a reason, yeah? Yeah, if this was gonna be the low, we wouldn't be back down here again, or would we, right? So I'm guessing quite likely this is gonna get swept tomorrow. Like a, you know, CPI comes out, being, and the rest of the day just bump. Because how often does that happen, right? if you go brush up on your CPIs. You stop at one direction and then rip back and close the entire other direction the rest of the day. Just saying. Just saying. Like, so imagine for the rest of tonight we start like slowly, like, you know, inching down. And then by like 8:30, bling! Later, later. So I'm definitely gonna be awake, prepared in the morning. Or perhaps even the other way, right? Perhaps even the other way. I might come up here, clean all this stuff, and then just nuke for real, for real. Or might do nothing, right? Might do nothing. So many possibilities. But yeah, I'm just gonna set an alarm here for this. Start looking for longs, whatever I'm doing at the time. Looking for longs. And if we break this, I'll start, you know, looking out to see if any shorts start brewing. While we do some other things. Because until then, I don't think there's too much going on here that's going to be interesting me a little too much. Unless we got maybe like a bink retest of this. We shall see. This is looking real suspicious. Spot volume is flat too. How's the order book looking? Damn. What do we have left to do on our list? Like, I got some things done here. Also, I need to make a note of that muted microphone thing. What was that all about? Damn. This whole sequence of price action right here, god damn. There's like a shit ton of longs and shorts that are break even in here right now, basically. And if we start going in one direction, then all the shorts are under. If we start going down, then all the longs are under. So it'll be very interesting to see how this little ding dong mashup here breaks. So I might just market smash one of them if we break up to the upside or the downside, potentially. Join the train when it leaves the station, you know what I mean? Potentially. I'm not gonna hang around and watch this all night though, like yesterday. Shout out to that hedge short though yesterday. God damn, we squeezed that thing in at the last second. 259 with like 50 seconds left. Ba-bing! Right before the funding reset. Damn! Ended up juicing. Also gonna be paying attention to this right now, right? Some potential funky business brewing here as well. See if we can actually flip this level. Slowly grinding up. A potential interesting day tomorrow. If we see some volatility, we could see some juicy trades running in a small amount of time. The gamma levels were where? I think it was 610 or 6110. 6110 and 6040. Okay. I think we're prepared. I think we are prepared. Yeah, I mean, if Biddy loses this for any meaningful period of time, look out. Getting a little suspicious here too. I might go to sleep soon, to be honest, because I don't want to miss any of this, like, you know, London session kind of fuckery going on. Asia rolling into London while we're all asleep. I'm gonna just set some alarms down here right now. Boom, 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 boom. I'm trying to think what should I do in regards to the possible trades here, right? What are the possible trades here? A lot to clean in this box, we know that, right? This box getting fully pushed through is not the question at all. At all. At all. The question is, do we go deeper than that? That's the real question. There's also one line right here, 907. 90704. She'll make this a box, because this could be one of those, you know, pink pixel boxes that they come and tag out of nowhere. And 0522. Okay, we'll leave this here because there's a chance that we come wick below, tap this thing and go. Like today, like literally. Boom, boom, boom. Like the other day when I took the long here and they left this one cluster that was behind here, they came right back. Bink, fucking tapped it perfectly. Motherfuckers. They always got you in the scope, guys. God damn. Which makes me want to be bullish, right? The fact that we hit that perfectly in reverse makes me want to be bullish, but maybe I should be. That's the thing. Maybe I should be. Because we did like break these highs. We have held this higher low so far. It's just this recent. A little odd. I would have liked to have seen, you know, boom, boom. Strength. Overwhelming demand. Not really seeing that right now. What's the math looking like on this out of curiosity? I'll start mathing a little here as well, yeah? I mean, like, definitely eyeing this zone, right? Also this. If we even go down here, that's the thing. If we even go down here. Also here, also all the levels below that we've been planning for months. He's been here for fucking literally months at this point. He's been patiently waiting to execute our plans. Hard to say, you know, hard to say. Hard to say. I'm still leaning towards this, to be honest. I'm still leaning to something like that going on. It's just like a kind of slow grind down, trap longers or trap shorters each time. Because they were piling in on this move yesterday. Holy shit! Open interest went like the most exponential I've seen in a while. That graph was looking ridiculous. So if that happens again on like another move down, there'd be a lot of shorters trapped. If we bounce. I'm curious if we have a sell wall in the order book right now. We do. A lot actually. Damn. Damn. Because a lot of things happen tomorrow, right? There's a lot possible here. There's a lot possible. I'm gonna clean all this and go, right? Just nuke down. I'm gonna start going from here. Could clean some of this, then go down. Could clean some of this, then go down. Even up here. Or like a massive deviation below, then come back. There's a lot possible. We're going to be watching the data and seeing how this develops. one thing I don't like, we're hanging out a little too long down here, right? Suppose this was a deviation of a value. Ideally, do you want to start going to the other side already? Bouncing off this 4-hour level and going. Still some time left on this candle, but we shall see. Let's make sure we have this. So look at some alts that we might want to get into, right? Depending on what the volatility is looking like, might have some juicy alt opportunities. Imagine most of these will be looking the same as per usual. Damn, not this one though. Damn. That's looking weak. Is our alarm set here for this? Yeah, it is. I mean, this thing's coming. This thing's coming into the zone. Yeah, Ben talked about this. Slowly but surely. Damn. Jupiter could be honestly, this could be a juicy trade. This could be a juicy trade down the road. If they come clean all of this in one shot. Bing! I like this monthly level or at the point of control of this node. Damn. We'll definitely have to keep a lookout. I mean, we have the alarm, correct? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, some of these all definitely looking weaker than others. Interesting. Yeah, Sui looking relatively good actually. Yeah, a lot of these things are in scary spots. If BD rolls over or even does like this like lower time frame clean, and it looks like it's potentially happening, right? Looks like it's starting potentially. I'm seeing out the corner of my eye, order flow looking a little scary. This is yeah, you know, hopefully he better be a swing like that. Or look, it's definitely looking like we're going lower. Definitely looking like we're going lower. In terms of this stuff, yeah, a lot of these are, you know, on their last, they're all looking like that's fine, like this kind of thing, right? Closing lower and lower towards that one low. Here's same story. Some are looking stronger though. That is for sure. Damn. A lot of these alarms are going to be going off tomorrow. On top of the ones that have already been going off. Some earlier today. Oh yeah, I forgot Intel. I was playing around with some Intel. TP2, you know what that alarm was for. TP2. You already know. You already know. Looks like Biddy's finally given it. Is he actually gonna clean it or not? Or not? This is the question. This is the question that we always have. Is he gonna clean it or not? Or not? 993. Whoops. 993. I don't think there's too much left to do here, to be honest. To be honest. I mean, the plans haven't really changed, right? Everything's kind of just going according to the plan. CPI, PPI finally upon us, along with some unemployment data and retail sales. You know what I'm saying? Is this thing gonna restart or what? Or what? Or what? What the fuck? It's going. It's going. This is. I mean, this might be a short, low key, if it does hold out. Let's see what this is looking like. Or I mean, a long. Sorry. Why is this here? I mean, there would be some divs, I guess. Plus some stacking math. A little math stacking going on, right? Double golden pockets right here, pink. Potentially, sweep this and bounce off the point of control. And the VWAPs, both those VWAPs. I think like a little interesting potential long right here, to be honest. As we deviate away from the VWAP for the day, how's this looking? Interesting. We'll worry about that later. We do need to finish checking out some of this data and get ready for sleep. 10 o'clock, god damn. God damn. God damn. Tomorrow is the 12th. I mean, let's look at this for Biddy actually. That's what we want to be doing. Interesting. What about here? Interesting. Where do we close this again? Out of curiosity. Right there. So potential RTH gap tomorrow. Damn. It's going, right? It's going, it's going. How's all this data looking? It's going. Yeah, this looks like sort of been a good short so far, yeah? Looks like sort of been a good short so far. Especially if it comes lower, and especially if it sweeps way lower. Could have been a juicy short, actually. Damn, the last 30 minutes, over 150 mil more. Being thrown on the table by bears. Damn, they're bringing the racks out. God damn. Bears have had their foot on their throats lately. God damn. Goddamn. This will also be very telling of upcoming price action as well, right? If this is not just like a bank and go. Very telling of upcoming price action. So very interesting sequence we're looking at right now. Volume spiking on this too. Ba-bing, ba-bing. Does it hit it? Does it tap it or nah? Ba-bing, 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 ba-bing. Well, let's pay attention to this as well. This did sweep, this did not. CME did. So far, the only one that did not sweep is Binance. A little suspicious, that, right? Usually want to see them ba-bing. What's the open interest looking like over there out of curiosity as well? Because if there is a people here that need to get stopped right now, quite likely we're going to go back down, but let's check it out first. Doesn't seem like it. So maybe no need to go down there on Binance. We shall see. But everyone else did sweep. Ba-pink. Ba-pink. See if this candle closes above the golden pocket as well, right? I was looking on the lowest time frames. Boom, boom. Bang. Yeah, very, very overextended as well. Maybe one more leg down. Boom, boom. But so far, yeah, looking pretty strong. S&P is rolling over too, that's a thing. Boom, 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 boom. Rolling over in unison, in strength. Boom, 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 boom. Looking like it, yeah, looking like a little pink and go. A potential pink and go. Jonathan Brawler. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello, hello. Hello. If this holds though, I mean, that'd be good, right? That'd be a nice little reset of these late high leverage longers and go, potentially. Because this was looking real suspect, but so far so good. Got that out of the way. And if I start to go low from here, then yeah. Looking weak. But that means, you know, our long is surely brewing. A long will show itself sooner or later, yeah? Not too much to do though. I think we'll be wrapping up here, to be honest. So I'm trying to get a nice, good night's sleep for CPI. So I can be alert the whole day. Trying to think, is there anything I need to finish? Cause I think we're basically prepared, right? We already covered everything, basically. Oh yeah, curious about what happened to gold today. Damn. A pretty aggressive sell-off at the end of the day on gold. I mean, obviously there was yesterday, but it's looking like there's some follow-through going on here still. Who knows? This thing could still have some juice left, right? Depends on what the positioning is looking like on this thing. There's gonna be a lot of shorters just sending this thing, hoping it reverses right now. Looks like Biddy's still going lower. Goddamn MacBook, goddamn. Pissing me off. Pissing me off. Okay, let me just make sure I got my alarms, because I think we're good here. I think we are good here, to be honest. Got this alarm. Got this alarm. Yeah, because this thing, I mean, if that doesn't hold, you already know what's next in the scope. Curious how that guy's at trade is doing. Where's that Solana thing at? It's going. Same story. Damn. Damn. 184. Does have some breathing room at least. Damn. And honestly, I'm just tired. That's the other thing. I'm just tired. Just tired. Been awake so late these last 2 days. Fucking up with my sleep schedule. Normally I'm awake at 5 in the morning at the gym doing cardio. Seeing what's going on out in Asia, you know, seeing what the Asians are up to in the Asian region. Then you can see how all the futures are doing, right? So you already know what the vibe is in the market before the market even opens. No candle closes below yet, so that's something to note of, right? Something to note of. I might be getting it right here though. But yeah, so far it's just looking weak. That's what I was saying. Like, that's why I was saying. Until I see closes above this, I was not trusting this. Same thing with even the higher time frame. Until I saw closes above these levels, I was not trusting this. Got him. Got him. Got them. They almost got me. Imagine I didn't open that hedge. They almost got me. Almost. Too clean though. I'm too clean. I anticipated all this. Too clean. I'm just moonwalking in and out the market. God damn. God damn. Whoops. They're really sending right now. God damn. God damn. How much is there to clean below? 94147. So basically, this is this zone, right? This is a zone of interest right here specifically. So we'll keep that in mind. We'll leave it drawn with a little squiggly for now. If you know, you know, right? Imaginary useless lines. Marcos, you're delusional. Ba-bing! Ba-bing! Bounces right off the line. Boom. Are approaching some key levels here though, so let's see the reaction at these. We might get a long opportunity tonight. Damn, I was about to go to sleep. About to go to sleep. They might come sweep this tonight. Okay, let me get something to snack on. My laptop, actually go turn off trading view on that thing where it keeps spazzing out. Then we'll be back and grinding for a bit, I suppose. I need to think of something to do, that's the thing. I need to think of something to do. Cause I was waiting at this point. Just waiting at this point. Actually, no, that's not true. That's not true. There was stuff I was starting to do. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we do have some things that we do need to finish. There are some things that we do need to finish. And then we can sleep with at ease. How's this thing going? So far reacting pretty strong, yeah? Looking like it. What's the order flow looking like out of curiosity? Not too hot. Damn, damn. There's some shooters in the order book right now. 400 biddy each. I suspect we might be seeing a little battle going on here on the lower time frame for a bit. Interesting. We'll see if either of these guys pull their buy walls and sell walls or not, or if they're actually playing for real, right? Getting them bitches filled. But yeah, two massive orders on both sides. What else were we writing down here? One more thing, correct? Oh yes, there we go. The rates, the rates. Okay, interesting. 10-year. Tomorrow is a 10-year bond auction. Something to be taken note of, right? Not the biggest, most important thing, but it is a piece of the puzzle. Okay, let me get my snack now, some more water. I'll bang out this list and then that's it. I'm getting ready for tomorrow. And if in the meantime, if a long opportunity shows up before then I'm gonna be in that thing. me stand up too. I'm tired of sitting down. God damn. God damn. These two guys still dicking around. Oh damn. Damn. Okay. Looking a little suspicious if you ask me. The buy wall definitely got hit. That guy got 100 biddy filled on that thing. But there's over 600 biddy sell wall now. So we'll see what these guys are saying. Throw money out on the table for real. There's some real money getting thrown down right now, guys. Rocks. Millies. Obviously massive dibs too on the lowest of time frames. As we're bouncing off this, right? Math, blah blah blah. Damn. Damn. I have to get some motherfucking water. But I wouldn't be taking this anyways, probably. Wait, interesting to see if we actually flip this and go. That'd be quite telling. We break this and start to do that. I might be a believer. I'm gonna be a believer. Until then, I'm not buying it just yet. Oh yeah, this list. This list. This list. This list. Boom, boom. This list, damn. Damn. Boom, 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 boom. God damn, god damn. I'm like lost in thought right now. Too much to process. As I'm snacking away on this thing. The TPO? The TPO? It's a time price opportunity? You know what I'm saying? It's just time spent throughout the day, right? So like as time, like the more time it spends in like, this is the full day, right? Suppose this is the full day. The time is just like allocated based on where it spent the most time. So this is where the majority of the time today was spent there. Or I mean yesterday. So it's the same kind of idea as like regular volume value areas. Which is like 70%. The high and the low. So if price starts spending time outside of where it spent yesterday, because, you know, potential shift in behavior. Also lets you know when there's, you know, acceleration occurred, right? A single print. Like, let's see if there's an example of one. See if there's an example of one right here. So you see how these are like singular blocks? Like that means that like it only spent 1 unit of time in this price range. So like there's either like really aggressive buying or really aggressive selling. So it leaves these like volume gaps typically. So price, well, one, these usually get revisited, right? Because there's actually supply or demand here, right? It could have just been like an aggressive burst at that moment in time. So usually these get revisited to kind of test to see if it's real or not, right? And also like usually if you like zoom down past one of these, you usually zoom back up the other way because there's no volume here. So yeah, as these get filled, you know, be alert, pay attention. Another one here, smaller though. Dumping. Yeah, potentially, right? Potentially. Might be done though, might be done. So far looking like it kind of just binks, swept all this and definitely cleaned all this garbage on Bitcoin at least, right? That's why I was saying it's a little bit suspicious. But so far so good. Looks like it held this, held the golden pocket too. Still going. Potential long opportunity there if you're scalping on the lowest of time frames. Yeah, we'll see, right? We'll see. Did any shorts get trapped here out of curiosity? Doesn't look like it, so. What's this guy doing? I mean, S&P looking kind of strong, no? Kind of like tagged all these highs, now it's just sitting here, building value. They might want to come attack the top side of this node, right? It's looking like they want the smoke up here. A lot of the hedges are at remember, 6110 as well. So a lot of people hedge for the price to be up in this zone. Very interesting day ahead for show. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Okay, let's get through this list. We already looked at that. Also, we need to look at. Put this on the daily. Turn this off. Actually, let me check this real quick. The value areas are like well, it's the same. They're all the same. The time and volume ones are the same thing. Same thing, brother. Same thing. Just go read I don't know. Auction market theory. I mean, yeah, this looks good, yeah. Look at this. Just Googled this, auction market theory, first link. Trade Pro Academy. I mean, I haven't like read it specifically, I don't think, or maybe I did a really long time ago, but it seems generally the right idea. Yeah, just read through that. Read through that. And it's the same thing for like volume and time. It's the same kind of idea. It even talks about single prints, initial balances, blah blah blah. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, looks like an interesting read for anyone that cares, or anyone else that cares at least. But I mean, like TLDR, you're just expecting the kind of you know, price to rotate around these zones, and then you just observe what happens when it's not, right? Because if it doesn't, if it leaves one of these zones and starts to go, or like same thing this way, then it's probably going to another value area, right? You're no longer accepted in this area of value, and it's time to go to the next one, whether that is above or below. And usually that's where or at least a lot of trading opportunities are, right? From level to level, node to node. Looking like a pretty strong hammer candle here so far, right? 2 minutes left, high volume. But pink looks like it's looking pretty strong right now. If this is gonna hold, it better be this, right? Anyways, let's not concern ourselves too much, or at least not me. I'm not really trading right now. I'm gonna let all this little ding dong mashup resolve before I hop in the jet. Shout out to that hedge short, by the way. Damn. I wonder if your Solana play swept on derivatives or not. Or not. Or nah. How do you think CPI will be affected by... Who's that? Phil Myazole? I don't even know how to say that. Don't even know how to say that. I don't know who that is, and I'm not seeing anything on Google. Nor am I an economist, so it doesn't really matter what I think the CPI does it. As far as I'm concerned, it's just a data point on a graph, right? And if you want to know what that graph, you know, is plotting, plenty of resources on a line. Not much such subjectivity to it, to be honest. Interest is either increasing or decreasing for the consumer. An OnlyFans guy? What? Whose mans is this? What are you talking about? Bum, 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 bum. I mean, yeah, if you're bullish right now, this, I mean, this is what you're hoping to see. If this thing starts to go from here and break structure, then bum, 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 bum. Well, there still is more to grab below. Perhaps don't jump the gun, you know? Which is why I'm waiting, right? I'm just chilling and waiting right now. Because there's liquidity to grab on both sides. And then we're still in the same spot as earlier, right? We're still in the same ding dong. With all these people that have open positions in here, then all of them are like break even. Or slightly underwater in either direction. A lot of these longs just got right there, but bink! Now they might get the shorts and then just come lower, so let's just wait and see. What is left on this list? Because I'm about to be wrapping things up, to be honest. I want to look at Tesla too. I might be buying some Tesla soon. Might be that time. I already have a Tesla bag from way earlier. I was accumulating that like, when was it? God damn. Yeah, like here. But looking like it might be discount season pretty soon. I have to reload some of the bags. God damn, look at this. People selling their Tesla, like what? Are you cooked? But I mean, no, like, I mean, this seems like a reasonable time to take profit, right? Quite the runoff here. Especially after breaking all-time highs too. Perfectly reasonable and expected. How is the weekly looking on this thing? Because I haven't touched this. I'm letting this bag sit. If I was trading that, yeah, I definitely would have been taking profit up there. I would have been out of here too. I would have been pulling the chute. Later, bag holders. Peace. There's already divergences forming too here, right? On the daily. We've got a little bit more to go. I think any kind of bounce here as well will just be like regular divs as well. The question is, do we wait for the first bounce and then get in on this? Or does the market run off on us with the first bounce and just go? Probably best to kind of layer in. Probably the best, right? Why pick one? We can have the best of both worlds. Get in now and later. With even bigger bags. Juice. Because there's a gap here too, right? And a gap down here. So who knows? We could not be out of the question to come down here. Not be out of the question at all. What's the math looking like? I mean, yeah, like this zone's definitely looking like real juicy, right? Real juicy. Question is do we get front run on this? I was looking on the lower time frames. Ooh, ooh. Are you looking pretty oversold too? Oh, this thing is due for a fucking bounce soon. What the fuck? Like, hey, it might gap down lower, but after that, this thing looks like it's due for a bounce. God damn. Aside from the daily, everything's already like straying pretty far from the mean. God damn. From the 12-hour down to like the 30 even. Damn. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, it might be a good place to start adding some Tesla, to be fucking honest. This might be might be on my to-do list. Might be on my to-do list. What are we looking at here? Interesting. Start nibbling on a spot bag. Glad we looked at that. Ba-bum, ba-ba-bum, bum. I'm thinking, how low can it go? How low can it go? And why the sell-off, right? It must be some like sentiment-driven earnings were here. Like they missed earnings. But the people like really fucking let's read this. Why Tesla's stock has been cratering by Yahoo Finance. Curious to read this. Why? I feel like these people all like it's the same thing. Like they all act like this is just some like car company. Yeah, like it's the same thing every time. I don't get it. Motherfucker, they make robots. Like an AI company. Cars are just a side. Like they make energy too. Like it's an energy company. They do everything. Insurance, everything. People are talking about like over delivered cars, but like, what? People are fried. They're cooked. I'm definitely reloading the bag if that's the case. I thought like, you know, perhaps something actually happened, but it seems like it's just a typical fake news garbage type of shit. Well, not fake news, but just a silly narrative. The question is, how much do we want to do? And how low do we think it's going to go? Okay, let's get rid of that. Can we really expect that deep? I suppose we should plan for it, right? I guess we should just plan for it. Crazier things have happened. How low is that? 270? It's not that far either, I suppose, right? Another 20%? It's not really that big of a deal. This looking like a low-key snack right here. Especially if we got to these lower prices long term. Damn. And Tesla's pretty volatile too, so this thing could bounce back relatively quick. 30% in 50 days? How long it take to run up? 100% in 50 days? I think volumes start to increase down here too, so you know people are buying. You know other people are buying right now too. Starting to load their bags, that's what that means. Interesting. I'm seeing who the biggest holders of this are. Of Tesla. Who do you think? Who do you think? You think it's some fucking clown on the fucking Yahoo Finance talking about missed vehicles? Or you think it's fucking Larry Fink and BlackRock pulling up with a Brinks truck? That's all I need to fucking know. State Street, Vanguard, everything. Just go down the list. Boom, boom, boom. Cause they already fucking know. Not dumb. Not fucking dumb. Money talks, that's what. Fucking got their bags loaded with Tesla. they're fucking already. They've been had their bags back probably. God damn. Yeah, you know, these are the opportunities you wait for, right? Higher time frame, long-term swing trades. Or even like long-term, you know, investments. You know, been waiting months for this. Got damn near 3 months for this. I've just been sitting there waiting in the grass. Ghillie suit on and everything. Waiting for this motherfucker to walk out in the open. But bink, got him, got him. Patience, that's what it is. Patience pays. Well, I'm curious how much lower we can go. What's Biddy up to? Haven't been paying attention to this. Damn. 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 Let's see if we can actually hold this level, right? A bit of a bullish retest here. Bing, bing, potentially. It'd be a start, right? Reclaiming all these VWAPs, reclaiming the daily VWAP, reclaiming this golden pocket, reclaiming our level. Gotta start somewhere, and this is it. How's this doing? Still doing it, rolling over. And let's not forget that there is a single print down here too, right? It's never got cleaned yesterday, and we left the poor low. So they got this in the scope too. And if this goes lower, we're definitely visiting these levels. And I'm gonna be prepared. I'm gonna be prepared. I'm fucking prepared. God damn. Let's make sure I wrote that down right. Yeah, Tesla. Okay, Tesla. But Bink. Let's check out some other traditional market stuff. I haven't checked that in a while, and I'm curious, right? Is there any other potential juicy deals showing up here? Do have to keep this in mind though, because if this thing does start to roll over down to here, then that could lead to a prolonged correction on the S&P, which means even better deals, which is why we're scaling in. So we got more ammo in the, you know, when the elephant walks out, right? Right now there's like a little bit of food, right? We're on the hunt and we see a little bit of food, but an elephant might be walking out here soon. And I need ammo for that thing. A pink, got it. A pink. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go look at some other stuff after real quick. We'll come back to this later. See how some of these are doing. See how MicroStrategy and whatnot are doing, right? I haven't checked some of these longer term spots in a while. Bitfarm's not looking too hot. Not looking too hot. I mean, let's see how the rest of the miners are doing out of curiosity. Out of curiosity. Steadily been climbing, which is surprising. I'm not sure if they all are the same. This as well, right? Slowly putting in higher lows. Yeah, this one definitely looking a little interesting so far. Happened to my music. Happened to my music.
Work today is broken.
A fucking ad?
We're all working in too many disconnected apps, and it's killing team productivity.
So I gotta make an account for this? There we go. This thing's been fucking going. God damn. God damn. God damn. Interesting. This thing's definitely coiling up, yeah? Looking interesting. I mean, all these things basically look the same, right? Kind of preparing for the potential next leg up soon. Like this thing can't go much lower than this whole like accumulation base, right? This one's been going though. This one has been steadily climbing. Interesting. course, the story is there. I mean, this one's doing one of these, right? Bink. Yeah, seems like a lot of them are kind of in between two nodes. So either they're going up or we're hanging out or going lower. Only 3 options. In terms of the momentum on these things, I mean, this one's obviously been going right. The momentum's ripping. The rest are kind of like postured in a way that they might start to show some momentum. Until we see on the lower time frames, it doesn't really matter on these higher ones. So yeah, I own ClearSpark, Coin, Hood, and MSTR, and Biddy, obviously. Yeah, I got this one. I got them all a while ago, to be honest, right? A while ago. But yeah, CleanSpark is just kind of what's it called? A very power efficient mining company, and these also have like the ability to pivot to like high performance compute if needed, right? So a lot of value in just their facilities and equipment, and their ability to like to build those facilities out. And they have like a bunch of Bitcoin on their balance sheet, blah blah blah, right? On top of being miners, etc. So yeah, in terms of efficiency, what rated probably the best. Like they mine, like I think like the second or I think they mine the second most Bitcoin a month. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Do your own research, obviously, but yeah, I think that's the only miner I have. Correct? Yeah. Then I bought Coinbase just cause, right? They're like they seem like the main entity in North America. So in terms of an exchange. And they're on the stock market, so why not, right? Might as well get some exposure to crypto. And then I bought this as some like beta to coin. And this thing has been running. Funnily enough. Yeah, Robinhood has a lot of interesting things actually. Like the more I read about their product, and other markets as well, like in Europe and whatnot. Very interesting stuff going on there. And MicroStrategy is just, MicroStrategy, right? Stacking up the Biddy. Like loan collateralized. All kind of interesting plays with that, right? It's almost like a financial instrument to people in the bond market. A lot of interesting stuff going on over there. It looks like Biddy's still rolling over. AKA not good, right? AKA not good. AKA not good. Boom, 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 boom. I'm curious to see if we got, this thing that we talked about. We're definitely setting up to have some kind of 3 drives going on here, right? To me, this is number 1 suspect in mind right now that I'm looking for. Number 1. The question is, how low do we go if we do that? Whatever, let's not speculate too much. There's no point. We might not even come down here at all. Just watch and see what happens and be prepared. Might as well watch, see what happens, and be prepared. That's all we can do, right? That's all we can do. What alts do I own? I mean, the only really notable ones are like Solana, Link, right? Link, Chain Link, Render, got some Renda. I'm not the full chart, but got some Render. Got have some XRP by chance, small amount, like it's like basically nothing, not even worth talking about. 'Cause at the time when I bought it, there was not like the legal clarity there is now. So I just put like a very small sliver in here just cause. What else? Ondo, got Ondo as well. And then I have like smaller spot bags. I have like a smaller spot bag of this, smaller spot bag of this. Same with Injective, same with Jupiter, same with Near. Stacks, Tau. Have a little bit of whiff. Oh, that thing's looking, god damn, that thing it's still good. I mean, I was talking about the other day, this thing, I mean, if whiff is gonna make a return, I need to see the mindshare data on this thing. Because low key, this might not be a bad buy if it gets down here, right? Low key? How much upside are we looking at on this thing? Especially if we get like a leveraged entry down here, and then memes start running, and whiff is one of them. Bugatti right here, one fucking Bugatti on this whiff trade. 1000% on with no leverage? Can you imagine getting some like fucking one of these massive positions on Biddy I've been putting on one of these things? God damn. God damn. Definitely catching my attention. And same with Pepe as well. Pepe was an interesting point as well. If Pepe sweeps these and then goes, bing bing, very interesting. Very interesting. This one already started it. You know, we missed out on this one. Pop cat. But this thing might already be going. How's it looking on the lower time frames? I mean, it looks like it's flipped at daily level so far. Bum, 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 bum. This is definitely a little scary, right? A little scary below. Maybe a sweep of all this, right? A little sweep of all this. Bink. Potentially. Because this looks like it wants lower, yeah? This looks like it wants lower. And if this starts to roll over onto the higher time frames and we end up going like sub 90k, boy, you know those plans from Saturday are about to juice. About to be juicing. Cause we're prepared for all this too. We're prepared for all these fucking alts too. Not just Biddy, god damn. Prepared for all of these. Boom, 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 boom. Also not good that that we're closing outside of the value area low on a 4-hour, right? Just got this 4-hour candle, but boom. Look like we're getting rejected to me. Some higher time frame levels down here though, so we'll see. We'll see. So far, looks like we're heading down. Looks like we're heading down over here. Let's keep that in mind. 91.9 and 93.5. It might be the squiggly line. This might be the one. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. What did we want to do? Oh yeah. Look at some traditional market stuff. Boom, boom, boom. You know, just get an idea how things are doing, what the health of the market is. Boom, 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 boom. Also potential interesting buys, right? Potential interesting buys. Interesting. Damn. I don't own any meta, but damn. Damn, this thing's fucking going right now. Interesting. I mean, how much juice does this thing have left? Probably not too much. I mean, we'll see though. We'll see, right? It can climb slowly and cool off, and then go do another leg up. Shout out to Netflix too. For anyone that fucking knows, Netflix has been a juicer. God damn. God damn. People were hating on them too when they removed the whole password sharing thing. Now their stock is going through the roof. Shout out to Walmart too. Damn. Going fucking parabolic. Walmart going fucking parabolic. God damn. Shout out to Walmart. Very curious how much this has left to run though. What's this up to over here? DoorDash. Interesting. If this thing had a massive correction up here, make like a massive cup in hand, well, potentially, right? Something like out for down the road, potentially. And I imagine there's gonna be a bit of a sell-off up here, or at least somewhere to pull back. Costco and Walmart are fucking. God damn. God damn. You imagine you got Costco back here? Oh my god. What the? 11,000%? Back in 92? Imagine opening a leverage trade in 92? Paying the funding fee the whole time for this thing? I'm curious what the math on that is like. What is like the time decay component? I'm curious what's gonna happen with this company. If there's a kind of like a, you know, health movement. And also RFK talking about all this health stuff and government and blah blah blah. Do these companies like this get affected? UPS, damn. Interesting. I suppose this was a COVID spike boosted rally, so the distribution makes sense. Interesting. Wonder why there was a sell-off here, but potentially interesting. There's some interesting, you know, plays here potentially in some of these charts I've been seeing, even for just swing trades. Curious what happened here. 30% in 2 months, 3 months. Interesting. Well, let's research that later. Pepsi, god damn. God damn. I mean, revisiting a pretty big weekly zone right. I lost it though. Damn. Big node. So we shall see what happens there, but damn. Yeah, I don't know enough about Pepsi or anything like that, but looking like a time to potentially buy here too, yeah. Assuming there's not something egregiously wrong here with this company. Don't they own a bunch of fruit, like snacks and whatnot? Are they one of the biggest like snack providers, etc.? All that stuff sells whether the economy is doing good or bad. It don't matter. People are buying chips for show. Still hanging out here doing a whole lot of nothing. Okay, let's finish it. We're almost done with this list, and then it might be time to cut. I think that's just about it. Other than go research some of these things. Damn. This day was a blessing. That one day in the news and all the planes they couldn't fly because they had like a Windows issue, and this company just nuked because of it. Damn, that was a blessing. That was a blessing. Nike though, yeah, Damn. God damn. Is this a fucking meme coin? God damn, what the fuck is this? I thought Nike is supposed to be A1. What is going on here? I mean, they have quite the run, so we are seeing volume increase, so people are starting to buy here. Interesting. I don't know enough about Nike and Adidas and all these other companies and where they stand. Or their financials. Potentially a good buying opportunity though. Because as far as I'm aware, Nike is a, you know, global brand. FedEx. I mean, interesting chart right here. There's definitely volume down here, that's for sure. Someone's buying. JP Morgan, god damn. Interesting. Interesting. This is another interesting one as well, actually. Because I'm curious, I believe that PayPal has some role in stablecoins. And they do have their own stablecoin, if I'm not mistaken. This is another interesting one to look into. Oh, I'm curious what the reasoning for this is. I'll have to become more well-informed here. Spotify, what the damn? What a chart. Some of these charts are ripping, you know? Interesting stuff here. Good to see, get a pulse. Get our fingers on the pulse for some of these things. Because I haven't browsed around in probably like a month, 2 months. And some of these I haven't really like looked at their weekly charts in a while. This Hims too, damn. Damn. Quickly too. Three years, this thing would have been a bagger. Palantir's not on here anymore. We'll check that out in a sec. Palantir. Huge sell-off here too. Damn. These might be some shorts down the road, by the way. American Express and Visa. The stablecoins are eating their bread. You know what I'm saying? Like 100 times cheaper transaction fees. Faster. Just cutting the middleman out, you know what I'm saying? Do those companies are better partner up with one of them, or they got problems on the road? You know what I'm saying? Okay, we did a lot of those. Oh yeah, we need to look at, I guess a ticker change, or a change on the... We'll delete the old one. This thing is just going to, right? This thing is just going to after earnings. Looking like it's a little topped out pretty soon here. Potentially. We got the fucking Batman on the RSI. Fucking head and shoulders Batman. That's just diverging. Yeah, if this thing starts to come lower, damn. It's a little overdone. Well, I don't know much about this company. I'm curious. Actually, let's just look it up right now. I am curious what they do exactly. Software and then data analytics. Okay. What the hell? It makes like fucking security AI. Like used by intelligence agencies. Interesting. Counterterrorism, national security, fraud detection, and criminal investigations. Damn, Palantir Gotham. Interesting. Sounds quite interesting, that is. Apparently, it's okay, they do a bunch of stuff as well. Interesting. Yeah, I imagine they have competitors, though. I don't see what's so unique about this, but good for them, I suppose. Shout out to anyone that owns Palantir. Good for you. Good for you. I think it's time to go to bed, yeah? We got our little research list here. We know what our plans are. Our alarms set. Not just a matter of getting some nice quality sleep, like a baby. And then it's CPI, baby. I can't even wait to wake up. I'm just itching to get back into a trade. Damn. I juiced the whole short and I closed it here. Now I'm itching to get back in. Damn. I should have taken this short. If I was around paying attention, I definitely would have been in this thing, because this was the short. Look, right? This was literally it too. That's a funny thing. It's just like a fucking freebie too, right? Exactly the golden pocket, fucking bear divs, top longers right fucking here. That was a fucking freebie right there. So that was a layup is what that was. That was a fucking layup is what that was. And who knows, like, who knows how low this thing's going. Because imagine we don't just clean this box and start going back. This thing could go deep. But anyways, yeah, I'm out of here. So shout out to all you beautiful strangers that were typing in the chat. Random people typing in the trading Discord. Asking random stuff. But I fuck with it. I fuck with that. So shout out to you. And yeah. I'll see ya when I see ya.